I gotta put my feet up. Hey, get out of here! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to? Why do you want to fight tonight? Hey! I brought you home. I brought you home toys and a skateboard. Hey, quit! Preston, no! What? Hey, you're acting like a cracked chicken. You're acting like a. I'm not running from you. You're acting
Girl,
like
this is a bird, girl.
You're acting like a cracked chicken.
He's upset, girl.